Yay, look at cute little Mickey. I'm ready.
It's a Churro Cupcake. I don't know if it's new. It's new to us. Never seen it before. Never had one. Never tried it. First thing, gotta take it near. Mickey.
Have we ever had a burger here?
Oh no.
It looks pretty good.
What is it? Let's see. Got a little bit of everything.
Do you taste the churro flavor?
I taste cinnamon, but I don't know if it's this or the frosting.
I ate a little bit of it earlier, and it's like a cereal texture.
Then it has, that's the cupcake part. It's good.
It's good? The cupcake moist?
It's not like, I guess like a churro cupcake, but it does have churro toppings and the cinnamon taste, so it's like a churro cupcake. That's where I think they get the churro cupcake.
3 diamonds?
No, it's good. I give it 4 diamonds.
What? Let's see.